Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. And as you can see, the phone that I have right here is locked, and I can either unlock it using the pattern that was previously set on the device or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, what you want to do is back out to the Wi-Fi connection list right here and simply disconnect from Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna tap on it, and from here let's look for forget network. Okay, and what you want to do now is simply skip this. So you're gonna progress through the setup a little bit, and here it will ask us to set up a screen lock. So we're gonna go with the screen lock only, and I don't know if you've seen it, you can go back and check it out, but the way of unlocking before was using the patterns. So I'm gonna select something completely different, like a pin, just to keep it fresh and also doesn't look the same. So from here, let's tap on get it and set our pin. So I'm gonna make it fairly easy, 1 2 3 4. Next, repeat the pin, 1 2 3 4, and there we go, it's now set. So once you set up the pin, you want to go back. No, I think I went back too far. There we go, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. There we go. And now all we need to do is again go through the setup, and you will see the difference right now. Instead of a pattern, it's now telling us to verify the PIN. Now, Android is such an amazing operating system that it can only remember one unlocking method for a screen lock, and once you add another one, it automatically overwrites the previous one. So the phone has no memory of a previous screen lock, so it's now substituted for the one that we have chosen. So let's just put our PIN, 1 2 3 4, next, and we can now finish up the setup. Now, even though we can finish up the setup, I still recommend performing a factory reset of the device through settings. So by doing so, you will remove the old Google account that could still be on this device, even though you can't really see it anywhere. The device does store info about Google accounts, so yeah, like I said, I recommend you to just factory reset just so that account gets completely removed. So once I'm done with the setup, I'm going to quickly show you where you can find the option to factory reset the phone. So let's open up settings, navigate to about phone, scroll down, and you'll find factory reset option, and in here erase all data. Again, we need to confirm the PIN that was set by us, so 1 2 3 4, and it gives us a message warning 10 seconds here, just so we know that we'll remove everything, and another 10 seconds on the next page before we can tap on OK. As you can see, once you tap on the OK here, it will automatically begin the factory reset of the device. Now this will bring you back to the setup screen, but at that point you can set up your device however you like, and the device will be fully unlocked at that point. Now I'm not going to go through it because it's just a factory reset and then just a simple setup, so not much more to bypass here. So simply tap on OK, and you're gonna be basically done with the bypass. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.